Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Instagram music not available in your region problem. But before we get to that, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So to get started with the video now, let's open up Instagram, and here if I go on browse, loading. So Instagram music is available for me, and if I go to stories, if I use the sticker, if I search for the music sticker is available in my region. So if you've not gotten this feature, what you can do is make sure that you're on an updated version of the app. So you go to Play Store or App Store and make sure that the app that you have is updated and it's a recent version, because the older versions do not have this feature. And if even after updating the app, it's not working out for you, what you can do is make sure that the region that you're in right now supports this feature. Sometimes, because Instagram rolls out these features very slowly, you will not be able to access this problem. And if none of this work out for you, what you can do is try going to Instagram, and then you can go to your profile, you click on the triple horizontal bars and settings, and then you click on help and report a problem to Instagram. And here you will take a screenshot of the music not available problem and music not available error, and here you will explain that you're not being able to get this feature. And this way Instagram will get back to you if it's a genuine problem with the app. And with that being said, I hope this works out for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this is of some help to you, and I'll see you in the next